My name's Tom Fanning. I'm the manager of Buffalo Feeders, and Buffalo Feeders is a 30,000 head cattle feeding operation in northwest Oklahoma. Our number one focus is to provide a safe, wholesome, and healthy beef product to the consumer. That starts with a healthy, well-cared for animal. We work with animals in groups, but it all starts with the individual. From the day they arrive, each animal is given its own individual unique ID. That animal is weighed. They're actually treated as individuals when it comes down to how we monitor and handle each animal. A properly designed facility will allow cattle to move and flow naturally. And so we've tried to eliminate corners so they don't bump their hips to get a bruise. They flow naturally into the pen or into the corral and into the alley and into the chute. This is a family operation. We have several employees that are third generation employees of the feed yard. However, we do annual training. We are constantly doing new training in animal care and animal health. We also have a program where we train the trainer, where we send some of our key employees to West Texas A&M University with our veterinarians to improve their skill level so they can come back and teach the other employees. We have a animal health professional, which is our veterinarian, and he consults with us on a monthly basis. He also is reviewing all of our data on a weekly basis. We have conference calls with customers talking about how to best treat their animals on the farm before they come here. Also, our nutritionist helps formulate a proper diet, and then he helps monitor that those diets are being properly mixed and manufactured and delivered on a timely basis. We know within 10 minutes every day of what time those cattle are going to get fed, and the cattle know as well. We have a lot of outside experts that are helping make sure that we're doing everything we need to do to maintain that stress-free, wholesome, healthy animal. When it comes to animal health and treating an animal, we try to spend a lot of time on prevention. So our goal is to not have an animal that gets sick. All of that health starts in the gut. With the proper diet, forage, and roughage, plus the feed. We also use a direct-fed microbial, which is a probiotic, which helps stimulate that proper gut health, and it's a natural product. And as long as we can keep that gut healthy, we can reduce the need for antibiotics. Our crew goes through every pen every day looking for and ensuring the cattle have fresh, clean water, fresh feed, and if there's any sickness or anything like that in the pen, then we will take that animal, remove it from the pen, and treat it. We've put up about 12 cameras located in our processing areas. We use it as a tool to help improve cattle handling and to look for any points that we may need to improve our facility. So a consumer can be assured, because we take extreme measures to ensure that no animals are ever shipped that are not safe to ship. We have many employees here with 20 to 30 years experience. Several of those employees have grandfather, father, and son have worked here and have moved up into leadership positions. As we are a major employer here in the community, we're also all about families here, and we have multiple families that have been here generationally. We're also raising those cattle for our family. It's the product that we feed to my family, to my kids. We trust it to ourselves. We know that it's done right every day. That includes doing it right when no one's looking and making a safe, wholesome product for your family and ours.